Say it, dance for me.
Dance for me.
Say it, say it louder.
Shut up.
Say it, say it.
Dance for me.
Dance for me.
Len.
Woo!
Go. Yes. More.
Dance for you.
Some more.
Come on. You want more? Yeah, I dance for you.
Must.
Alright.
Okay. Let's see.
This is Alan's VIP treatment.
Yes. Yes.
Very nice.
Yes. He's always VIP here.
Rose-colored glasses. Celebrity Look Laser Centers.
Uh-huh.
The best in the valley.
Ooh.
In the
And
valley.
Greater Los
In the
Angeles.
valley?
In the valley?
And Greater Los Angeles.
On the West Coast.
On the West Coast.
Do you have any words after all this pain?
Torture.
In a weird way, I love this pain.
He does.
And sometimes I miss my girls, Ada and Anna. They make me feel like a true Armenian.
Harry, Troy.
Woo, armpit hair.
I'm almost tearing up to be Armenian. But
No,
now,
you're not, trust me.
But when I leave here, I look more like a white Christian man.
Russian boy.
Russian boy.
And that's a wrap.